Hello. In this video, I will show you how to get paid weekly with search-based websites like Medium for free. So, it's a very easy process, and the process that we're going to use is affiliate marketing. And to be completely specific, we're going to do affiliate marketing for an online marketplace like Temu. So, what you will do is, first step is simply go to the Temu website, then scroll down till the very bottom. And right over here, you will have the option of affiliate and influencer program. Click on this option. Now, as you can see, you can earn up to $100,000 per month, and people are actually making this amount. So what you have to do is you have to choose affiliate program, not influencer program, affiliate program. Click on sign up. Then just simply sign up with your Google or Facebook account. So once you have completed the sign up process for the affiliate program, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, the next step is finding a product. So in this case, we're going to take the help of ChatGPT over here, and make sure to also open a free document, because we will be using this as well. Now, firstly, go to ChatGPT and just simply add this prompt right over here. So you can just simply take a look at this, take a screenshot, or just simply copy this. So over here in this prompt, you have to change two things. You have to choose a niche, a specific industry or a subject, and your target audience. So write the entire thing and add the specific details right over here. So in my case, I have chosen the electronic niche. So you can choose any niche over here. You can find a huge varieties of niches that you can get over here. So just simply pick one and then just simply hit enter. Now just simply wait for a few seconds. So it will be looking something like this. So just simply wait for a few seconds. Now once you will have this list right over here, just simply choose a trending topic. So in my case, I'm going to go with the technology and tech-savvy industry as my target audience. And for my topic, I'm going to go with the third one right over here. Now, once you know what topic you're going to go with, so again, just simply copy the prompt, take a screenshot, whatever you have to do, just simply do that. And right over here, simply remove this part and then paste your topic that you just simply choose from the list at the top, just like this, and then hit enter. And now again, just simply wait for a few seconds. Now after that, once you'll have your engaging titles, it's time to get the body for the article. If you're wondering why we are doing this, we're going to use Medium and SlideShare as the means to get audience to our Temu affiliate program, because it's completely free and a huge amount of people come to this website monthly. So we're going to create blog post articles, and then we will be adding our affiliate links in those blog posts. So this is the plan that we're going to go with. Now just simply write this prompt, as you can see right over here. Again, simply copy this exactly and then hit enter. Now just simply wait for it to complete the entire thing. Now once we'll have your brief summary with hooks, objection handling, open loops, introduction, and brief summary insight. Once we'll have all of that, it's time to get the main part, which is the 2000 words article for our affiliate blog. So just simply paste the last prompt right over here. Again, copy the entire thing, take a screenshot, do whatever you have to do. Now before hitting enter on your keyboard, make sure to copy the brief summary that you were given right over here from this option right over here. And then paste the entire thing in the prompt section right over here, like this. And now just simply click on the send message option. And now just simply wait for the entire blog post. Now once we'll have your 2000 words article, as you can see right over here, just simply copy the entire thing and paste it on your Google Docs, just like this. Now once you have your article on the Google Docs, sure to fix it by removing these type of words, as you can see right over here, and also make your title bold. So after the article is ready, it's time to add your call to action. Now it could be anything. You can just use phrases like click here, buy now, click to know more, top 10 best products. You can use a lot of phrases. It's totally up to you. So this is the call to action that I have gone with. Click here to see our top 10. So make sure to make it bold and italic to make it more stand out. And once you have your call to action, it's time to add your affiliate link with the call to action. It's totally easy. Let's say, for example, this is my affiliate product. So just simply copy your affiliate link and then just simply highlight this section and then embed your link by clicking on this option and paste your link right over here. Then click on apply. And now this is a completely clickable link. And now just going to copy this and paste it multiple times throughout the article. But make sure not to make it spammy. Now, once you have your blog posts, it's time to add them on SlideShare or Medium. So you can create a free account on both of them. It's totally up to you. And as you can see, there are few articles which are hosted for free and they're getting a lot of views like 3.8K, 23K, 117K, 164K. As you can see, they are getting a lot of views. So what you have to do is you have to also upload your own blog post over here. For doing that, particularly on this website, you will need to convert your blog post into a PDF. So you can use a lot of Word to PDF converter which are available online for free. You can use them and convert your blog post to an PDF. Or you can convert this entire document into a PDF from this Google Doc itself. Go to File, go to Download, then download as PDF. And then wait for a few seconds and there you have it. Your entire blog posts have been converted into a PDF, which is also clickable. If you click on this link, you will be redirected to the affiliate page. So now all you have to do is just simply get your PDF and upload it on this particular website. Just simply add your title and you're good to go. Now, the second alternative for this website is Medium. It's again exactly same as the previous one. You can host your articles and blog posts as you can see right over here. And then people will automatically come to your blog post and then click on your link. And when people will buy from your links, you will get the commission. So to add the article over here in Medium is super easy. All you have to do is click on the right over here and then paste your entire article directly over here, just like that. Now make sure to highlight your title like this. And now make it sure that your affiliate links are completely clickable. As you can see, if you hover on them, you will be able to see the links. But the small thing that you have to keep in mind with the Medium over here is they do not like AI generated articles or blogs. So what you can do is you can just simply go to any free website which converts AI writing into human writing. You can just simply type convert AI text to human text and use the first website right over here. And all you have to do is you have to just simply copy and paste your entire article like this onto this website and just simply click on write human and it will give you the exact article in a human version. But you have to do this multiple times because as you can see, the word limit is only 200. So you have to do this multiple times till you get the entire article. And now all you have to do is just simply click on publish and you're good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.